Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off background apps to save battery on Vivo Y03t. If you're using Vivo Y03t and now you want to disable or turn off your background apps, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for battery, and then just further scroll down you will get the battery consumption list. This will allow you the complete battery consumption list, and here you will get all the apps which has used your battery. You can easily get the background usage time here. You just have to select one of them which you want to disable or turn off. So I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, and here you'll get the setting of allow background usage. If you want to disable or turn off background usage, you just have to tap on it to turn it off. In this way, you can easily turn off background usage of every app you have installed on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.